Hey, it's Zane, and I'm going to teach you how to fly your Mavic and how to use the settings properly. So to set it up, you're going to put in the sticks, and then you're going to take your phone or your mobile device, and right here there should be a cord, and to get ready you're going to plug in the phone. Then you're going to take your drone, and you're going to have a gimbal guard, and most of them work about the same. They're just you're going to push right here. It's going to flip up. You're going to pull it out so you don't damage the camera. Then you're going to put that away, and it's always the front two legs unfold, and then the bottom two legs unfold. And now you've unpacked your drone and your controller. And on your controller, you're going to tap the power button and hold it until you hear that beep. You're going to take your drone and you're going to tap the button on the top until it shows green or whatever color it is. You're going to tap and hold it until you hear it start to power on. Once you hear that, that means it's powered on and it's ready to be connected to your remote. Now in your phone, you're going to look like this. We want to learn how to take off with the drone and land it and just perform some really easy steps. This is how you take off by using an automated takeoff button. Right here, you're going to tap the takeoff button, and you're either going to hold it or slide it, and it'll start spinning, and the drone will take up. Now to land the drone, you're going to hit the land button and land it.